What if I told you the ancients knew how to vanish into thin air and very soon we will too? Human teleportation isn't just science fiction. It's a quantum reality with terrifying consequences, where your body is erased and rewritten across the cosmos. Scientists have already teleported quantum particles across continents and even into the space, using quantum entanglement. But the real horror begins when they try it on humans. That's where things get wild. Teleporting humans means scanning, vaporizing, and rebuilding the entire body, atom by atom, in a new location. Would the you that steps out be the original or just a copy, while the original you dies in a quantum nightmare? This is the ship of Theseus paradox, and that's why Elon Musk calls teleportation suicide. A star worth of energy is required for this, thanks to mass energy equivalence relationship E equals to mc squared. But here's the catch. What if your atoms mix with air molecules, turning you into real-life The Fly? Leaked documents reveal militaries are racing to weaponize it by teleporting soldiers at lightning speed. They are assassinating targets by deleting their atoms mid-air with a flick of a switch. Ancient alien theorists claim advanced civilizations mastered teleportation. Think of UFO vanishings or the pyramids' impossible construction. Even Star Trek got it wrong. Teleport without correcting for momentum, and you will splat like a bug on a windshield. By 2050, we might crack quantum DNA storage or Einstein's wormholes, but until then, teleportation remains a deadly gamble. Are we dare enough to play God? 1. Wrong equation, and we might rematerialize inside out, or never at all. This isn't just travel, it's a one-way ticket to the unknown. But the real question is, would you risk your soul for instant travel? The answer could redefine humanity or erase it forever. Smash like if you would risk it. Comment hell no if you are not ready to gamble your soul. Don't miss out on the finish line because the secrets we are about to reveal will leave you speechless. Join us on this cutting-edge journey as we explore the unimaginable challenges of making human teleportation a reality. Teleporting humans isn't just hard, it's a quantum nightmare of cosmic proportions. First, we would need to scan and map all 7 octillion atoms in your body with perfect accuracy. A single error could reassemble you with missing organs or fused limbs, like a real-life fly experiment. Quantum entanglement allows photon teleportation, but scaling up to human mass would require energy that could power civilizations. NASA calculates it needs the total power of a Dyson sphere, which is more energy than our sun produces in a century. Even if we solve the energy crisis, then comes the consciousness paradox. Would the teleported you be the original or just a copy, effectively murdering your soul? Modern quantum labs secretly explore teleporting soldiers, but what if they rematerialize inside walls or halfway underground? Ancient texts warn of vanished civilizations who may have cracked teleportation only to disintegrate into quantum foam. Even if we solve these horrors, cosmic radiation could scramble your atoms mid-transit, leaving you a screaming flesh cube. The ultimate question isn't can we teleport, but should we? When the price might be your very existence. However, looking at the timelines, it is crystal clear that human teleportation won't happen overnight. It's a quantum odyssey, unfolding in terrifying stages. By 2030, we will master single-organ teleportation, maybe livers first, after IBM cracks quantum DNA mapping. 2045 brings the first full-body scan. A living human disassembled atom by atom, though the reassembled clone dies, screaming in a classified quantum lab. The 2050 reveal the consciousness transfer paradox when a teleported soldier remembers his own dissection. By 2067, rich elites pay $20 million per jump despite 12% of users materializing with fused limbs or alien memories. 2089 marks the civilian rollout, but glitches cause 0.1% of travelers to vanish into quantum voids, their screams echoing across dimensions. The final breakthrough comes in 2103, soul-anchoring technology that prevents your consciousness from being lost in transit, or so they claim. Each milestone brings us closer to godhood or extinction. Scientists warn, every jump destroys reality. Nobody listens. Would you risk being in the first trial group or wait until your atoms might actually arrive intact? Top scientists warn, human teleportation is a quantum suicide gamble. Elon Musk calls it copying and killing, while Michio Kaku admits even successful teleportation may leave your consciousness trapped in the void. NASA's chief physicist, reveals classified experiments where 78% of teleported lab rats arrived dead or mutated. Their atoms are scrambled by quantum decoherence. The Pentagon's Project Stargate documents soldiers who teleported successfully but returned with memories from alternate timelines. Ancient astronaut theorists point to 10,000-year-old Sanskrit texts describing Vimana teleportation devices that allegedly erased entire civilizations. MIT's quantum lab proves information can't be teleported faster than light, meaning interstellar jumps might take centuries in transit time. The chilling consensus: we might crack human teleportation by 2100, but the price could be your soul. Get ready to have your world turned upside down. We are not just inventing teleportation, we are reverse engineering technology that's light years beyond our current understanding. In 1989, Russia broke the universe with their quantum teleportation test known as Philadelphia Experiment. It was termed Project Zerkalo. That didn't just vanish a ship, it glitched reality itself. Sailors phased through walls, screaming about mirror worlds. Some claim the ship didn't disappear. It was transported to a parallel universe that never fell. The experiment was buried, but leaked documents suggest Russia still experiments with quantum displacement weapons. The truth? Teleportation isn't just science. It's a Russian roulette with reality itself. The advent of human teleportation marks the dawn of a new epoch, supercharging global economies and unlocking unprecedented wealth for nations worldwide. Imagine a world where distance is no longer a barrier, where you can step into a transporter and emerge on the other side of the globe in an instant. Welcome to 2090, where teleportation isn't science fiction, it's your morning commute. Step into a quantum pod and materialize in Tokyo for lunch, Paris for sunset, and Dubai for dinner, all before bedtime. Economies boom as teletourism explodes, while carbon emissions plummet to zero. Elon Musk's Neuralink 5.0, now offers instant business meetings in Mars domes, and hospitals beam doctors to emergencies in seconds. But there's a catch. Hackers hijack pods to steal identities, and quantum smugglers traffic illegal AIs across borders. The UN races to regulate the tech, but rogue states already weaponize it. The world just got smaller and infinitely more dangerous. Would you take the leap? As we stand on the brink of this extraordinary breakthrough, the future of human teleportation beckons with both promise and peril. This isn't just a tale of the future, it's the vanguard of our evolving world. As we know, with great power comes great responsibility. We must navigate the ethical and practical challenges that come with such revolutionary technology. From the potential for instantaneous global travel to the profound implications for privacy and security, the journey ahead is as thrilling as it is daunting. Some say we are not just teleporting bodies, we are hacking the simulation itself. So before you hit that materialize button, ask yourself, are you ready to meet the other you? The one that didn't make it. Smash like if you'd risk it. Comment hell no if you value your soul. And subscribe because the future didn't travel here, it teleported into our present.